Hello, and thank you for joining Tech by Paco for another unboxing video and first impressions. This is a Dell Inspiron 14 5000 series 2-in-1 laptop. This particular model is i5482-7069SLV-PUS. I was able to get this on an Amazon warehouse deal. It usually retails for $799.99, but I was able to get it for around $558. It was open box, but it should have most of the stuff in it. And since I do computer repair, as long as it turns on, it should be a good deal. I chose this laptop in particular, looking for an 8th generation Intel Core processor, 1080p resolution, a touch screen, and an SSD, preferably an M.2, and this computer fit the bill. It's going to be doing double duty, replacing my normal desktop computer for light video editing and basic computer usage, and also replacing my cloudbook that was getting a little long in the tooth and slow. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. And the nice thing about an open boxed item is less wrapping material, less plastic. Don't have to spend time unwrapping it. Someone's already done that. No other documentation in the box, but it was still securely packaged. So we'll go ahead and see what we got. This particular model does come with a 14-inch full HD 101920 by 1080p IPS display. This particular model has an Intel Core i7, the 8565U processor, which has speed up to 4.6 gigahertz when needed, or when it thinks you should have it. Comes installed with 8 gigabytes of RAM, but it can be upgraded to up to 16 gigabytes, and a 256 gigabyte SSD, M.2 based PCIe. And the other nice thing about this particular model is it also has a full 2.5 inch hard drive base, so I can put in a conventional spinning disk or SSD SATA drive in there as well for extra storage. The only real thing it doesn't have versus a premium laptop is a dedicated video card. This one does have an Intel UHD 620 based video card, and comes with Windows 10 Home. It can be upgraded to Pro if you're looking for BitLocker. And I believe that the 14-inch is a nice size compared to a 13-inch, which is a little bit cramped, and 15 or 17-inch, which have the larger keyboards with the number pad. I just think those are a little heavy to lug around. I think this will be a nice compromise. And supposedly this is a 2-in-1 laptop. So I didn't just break the hinge, it spins all the way around. And it is a touchscreen, and it can be used with pen devices, I believe. Very basic keyboard here. I do feel little nubs. So when you're laying it flat on its screen, it shouldn't press the keys. I believe this is feels kind of metallic on the touchpad and the palm rest area. The keys are rather small and flat. Power button up here, and we can look at the ports a little bit. And what we have here is your power supply, USB-C, I believe, an HDMI port, full-sized, 2 USB 3.0 ports, it looks like, and integrated headphone microphone jack for all your video conferencing needs. On the other side, we have a lock port, another USB, probably 2.0 port, an SD card slot. It does not have a CD or DVD optical drive, but you can get an external one if you need that. Most of the time you don't really need it, is what I have found. I like the keyboard. It is backlit supposedly, and it does have wireless AC dual band capability, and a 720p integrated webcam with microphone array. So this, I think, really will fulfill all my needs for light video editing, and looking for not the newest generation. There are 9th generation processors out now, but they're going to be quite a bit more expensive than this. So I'm going to give this a once over. I'll boot it up, I'll image it, and clean off any bloatware, and we'll give you some first impressions after we've used it for a few days. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more of these. Goodbye.